Hi everyone, Gemma here. Thanks for watching today. So I hope you've all had a lovely bank holiday weekend and you managed to spend some time with family or friends or doing something that you enjoyed. So I thought I'd make a quick thank you card in today's video. So it's following on from a card that I've previously shared. This is using lots of texture products, and this is a 5x7 thank you card. And I just wanted to recreate it in an A2 size and give you a few different options. So today I'm going to be using the textures, geometric, nested shapes and word dies, and I've picked out the thanks. I'll also be using the Magnolia Halftone stamp and die set. So it's this detailed die here, and I'm going to use that to go over the top of some A4 washi sheets. So I've selected this washi sheet and I'm picking out the tones within this colour palette. So I've got my card base here and I've cut it to 8.5 by 5.5, and along the 8.5 inch side I've scored at 4.25. So that gives me my A2 card base. I've then cut a piece of holographic cardstock which measures 4 by 5.25, and I've then cut a white piece of cardstock to go over the top of that, and that measures 3.75 by 5. And then I've cut an additional piece of white cardstock that will go inside, and this also measures 4 by 5.25. So I'm going to take my card front first of all and take a piece of the washi sheet, so this is really delicate, so you want to have a little bit of patience pulling it up. As you can see, I've already teared it a little bit there, but you shouldn't see it once you burnish it down on your cardstock. So I think I want this flower more in the corner here. So I've placed one side down first, and then you sort of want to roll it over your cardstock so you don't have any air bubbles or any creasing. So I'm just going to take my bone folder and burnish that down well. And then once you've burnished it, you shouldn't see the sort of the outside edge of the washi. So now I'm going to trim that. So I'm going to do it from behind. And I'm just going to be mindful that I might want to reuse one of these flowers for the inside of my card. So I'm going to try not to cut it too far off the edge there. Then I'm going to take my detailed die cut, and I've also used the holographic cardstock for this. And I'm going to attach it using some quick grab glue, and then I'm also going to trim away the edge. So you might want to add some double-sided tape to the back of the cardstock for this die cut piece. That will help to adhere it a lot quicker to your card base. But I've just used a few dots of quick grab glue. It didn't take me too much time. So I'm just lining everything up. So I'm just going to give that some chance to grab, and I'm going to start assembling the rest of the front of my card. So the colour cardstock that I'm using, I think is Craft Perfect Tonic Studios. It's quite a lightweight cardstock, so I'm using Collage glue to attach this, and this will help strengthen the base. And for my inside piece, I think I'm just going to use some of the washi tape on the corners there, just to add a little bit of interest. So I've gone ahead and trimmed that down, and I'm going to attach it using some foam squares. Then lastly, I've got the thanks word die, and I've cut it twice in the same colour as the card base. Just going to stack them on top of one another, and I'm just going to place it in the top right hand corner. It's getting confused with my left and right then. And place that there like so. And I'm just going to bring in some water droplets here, hopefully you can see that, just to finish off. So there's the finished card. I'm really pleased with how it turns out. Those water droplets just finish it off nicely, and then the inside there. As I said, it's a quick make, which is ideal, I think, for a thank you card. Something may pop up and you just want to send someone a little note or just to say thank you, and I thought it was the ideal opportunity as we've just passed Easter, so you may have spent some time with family or received a gift from someone. So it's just a little card there to say thank you, basically. I think it looks really sweet, and I really love this purple colour. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, you might want to hit the like button or consider subscribing to the channel. I wanted to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I really appreciate it. When I first started, or I thought about starting a YouTube channel, I never thought that I would have the support that I've received. So I've got a special video planned for when I hit the 2,000 subscribers, and I think there'll be a giveaway as well. So have a look out for that. Any products used today will be listed in the description box below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!